Come here, everybody, as I'm opening my new sandals for the summer. Yes, I've been put on game from TikTok, all you TikTok girls. I've been researching these, and I got a lot more things I want to buy. These were originally marked at $195 down to $80, people. $80. But with a 10% discount, I got them for $72. Yes. So they come with this little pre-boxed and all wrapped real nice. Give you some extra studs just in case you lose your studs. And they come wrapped very much well packed, individually wrapped in plastic. Oh, yes. Excuse me, y'all. I'm trying to get over a cold here. Oh, they too cute. And that's what they were. If you don't believe me, go to the people's site. This is not an affiliation to anything, people. I don't know these people. I don't have no affiliation with them. But get into the light. They don't owe me anything. I just like cute things, and I'm starting to do things more for me. I said this year, this is my season of being intentionally finding pockets of happiness. You know, all of us as mothers, it's very hard to try to find those things that we need for ourselves because we're so much giving to others. So this year, intentionally, I'm finding those little things. So this is another 2024 thing that I'm doing for Tiffany. Yes, I am. I encourage you mothers to find your pockets of happiness. But this is what they look like. This is what it look like. Excuse my feet. Just took off my socks. I've been wearing socks all day, but it's going to make me intentionally going to get my feet done. Intentional. Hello. More happiness. Oh, I can't wait to rock these during the summer. Yes. All right, then. That's all I got. Peace.